If you want to know how to add friends on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So let's open our Snapchat app and I'll show you all the ways of how can we add new friends here. So the first way, we need to click on chat folder right up here and then just simply scroll down to find the quick add section. So here we can find our contacts from phone, the friends of our friends inside of the app, and in order to add someone, all we need to do is just simply click on add. Moreover, we can find some additional information if we'll click on this guy, for example, so we can simply find his username and so on. We can simply click on add. Also on the same page like this, we can find a lot of suggested friends. They could be like the same as on our quick add list, but this is one more way of how can we add new friends on Snapchat basically. So the next way of how can we find friends through the username, for example, if you have them on Instagram and you ask them for a username on Snapchat, you can easily find them through search. So in order to do this, we just simply need to click on search bar in the left top corner here on this search icon. And after that, we'll come to this page here. And as you can see, we have a lot of different stars. For example, we also have the add a friend option here. But basically we can input the username in the top of the screen. So let's say we want to find something with this nickname, for example. And here, as you can see, we can find all the popular accounts, the matching usernames. For example, if we know like a part of the username, here we can find all the guys with username contains from these like letters here. So we can just simply click on plus and then they will be automatically added. And moreover, if we'll click on add, we can find the suggestions here. So as you can see, we can also add them as friends inside of the app. Moreover, we can find the popular accounts. For example, if you are looking for some maybe stars or like guys who are popular on Snapchat, you can simply try to find them through this part here. So basically these are the main ways of how can we add friends on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Wish you a very good day. Goodbye.